Hello dear students, welcome to Royal Palace PU College online classes. Dear students, in the previous session we have started with the topic that is differential equations, and already we had completed with our exercise number 9.1, that is the definition of the differential equation, what do you mean by order, what do you mean by degree, and the related exercise of it. Okay dear students, so today in this class let us start with the next, that is how to find the solution of it. Given any differential equation, how to find the solution of it. So before starting with that, let us move on with the basics related to that one. What do you mean by solution and how many types of solutions are there here? Now here let us consider an equation that is already in the 10th standard you had learned about the linear equation, that is 2x, okay, or y 2x plus 3 is equal to 0. What is the solution of this equation? Solution means what? At what value for x it satisfies LHS is equal to RHS, and value that satisfies the given equation. Okay, for what value for x we have LHS equal to RHS. So here if I put here, that is x equal to what we get, minus 3 by 2. If I put this value here, that is nothing but we will get our required result, that is 2 into minus 3 by 2 to plus 3, 2 to get eliminates, minus 3 plus 3 the value will be 0 here. That means here 3x equal to minus 3 by 2 is our required solution here. Similarly you had learned about the solution of quadratic equations, okay, also we had seen. That means at what value of x that satisfies our given equations here. That is all about what? Simple equations. Now if you have to learn about the differential equation, already we had learnt differential equation means we are having dy by dx, okay, plus, okay, plus you can take any equation. For example, if you take here x, okay, or if you take here minus x equal to 0, an equation which consists of the derivative and dependent variable, independent variable and constants, that is nothing but we said to be as differential equation, or a differential operator, that is d by dx is an differential operator here. How to find solution it? Solution means what? That dependent variable I required to find the value. Dependent variable what it is? The value is y here. The dependent value is y here. This value I require to find. If suppose if I put y is equal to e raised to minus x, okay, if I put this value here, okay, what we get, that is a d by dx of e raised to minus x plus e raised to minus x, okay, that is only the LHS part dear students. Now here e raised to minus x, the differentiation will be minus e raised to minus x plus e raised to minus x, and what is the value? Minus 1 plus 1, the value will be 0 here, isn't it? That means here this particular value y is nothing but our solution of this particular equation, is the solution of the particular equation. Since here it may be have the constants also, okay, here we may have constant also, non-constant also we may have, so therefore sometimes we are adding here plus an integral constant c here, okay. Now it is all about the basic thing that is related to our solution of the differential equation. That means if I put here y is equal to e raised to x plus c here, c is nothing but constant here. If I put here c, that is a differentiation of the constant, c will be 0 only, okay, minus e raised to x plus e raised to x value will be 0 itself. Therefore y is equal to e raised to minus x plus c is nothing but solution of this differential equation. Now let us come back to our definition of the general solution. What do you mean by general solution definition? Okay, definition of general solution. General solution. Now what do you mean by definition of the general solution is, okay, what is that? The number of arbitrary constant, if the number of arbitrary constant in the solution is equal to the order, what is the order here? We can observe that d raised to 1 divided by dx raised to 1. Number of arbitrary constant in the solution is equal to the order of the differential equation, then such solution we said to be as general solution. Okay, how we have to define? That is if the number of arbitrary constants is equal to order of differential, if the number of arbitrary constant in solution is equal to equal to what we have is equal to the order of is equal to order of differential equation, given differential equation, then such solution are said to be that is order of the differential equation, are said to be the order, that is here general solution. Okay, dear students, it is nothing but our definition of our differential equations. One thing. Okay, fine. Next we shall move on with that is the particular solution here. What do you mean by particular solution here? That also we shall observe. Now here, if you are able to find, okay, if you are able to find this constant value, okay, if you are able to find this particular constant value, okay, then such solution are said to be as a particular solution. Okay, dear students, then such solution are said to be particular solutions. What it is? Okay, that is definition of particular solution. Definition of the particular solution. Okay, students, now let us move on with the next problem. The equation is y is equal to e raised to x plus 1 and the corresponding differential equation is y double dash minus y dash equal to 0. Now just we have to verify that the given the equation, it is a solution order. That means after substituting this value here, we will get LHS equal to RHS or not. That means here we have to observe that here y double dash means second order derivative and y dash means what it is? It is an first order derivative. That means here y dash equal to e raised to x, because one differentiation will be 0. Similarly, you take it y double dash, that means e raised to x differentiation will be e raised to x only. You put all these three value here. That implies here that is y double dash minus y dash equal to y double dash means e raised to x minus y dash, it is also e raised to x. The value will be 0. That is nothing but here RHS. It is nothing but here given LHS of the given differential equations. Very, very simple problem. Okay, fine. We shall move on to the next problem. That is nothing but here y is equal to x square plus 2x plus c, whether it is an solution of y dash minus 2x minus 2 equal to 0 or not. This is our given differential equation. Now here we have to observe that y differentiation, that is nothing but y is equal to x square plus 2x plus c. Okay, differentiate with respect to x here, that is y differentiation will be y dash equal to 2x plus 2. Okay, y is equal to 2x plus 2. Substitute this value in the differential equation. Okay, put in y dash minus 2x minus 2, which is equal to y dash value is 2x plus 2, okay, minus 2x minus 2. The value will be 2x plus 2 minus 2x minus 2. Here it gets eliminates, the value will be 0. Therefore, the given equation is a solution of the corresponding differential equations. Simple ada. It is a very, very simple example. Next we shall move, that is y is equal to cos x plus c. Okay, cos x plus c, whether it is a solution of, okay, y dash plus sin x equal to 0 or not. Y dash plus sin x equal to 0. Now here what we have to do here, that is y differentiation y dash cos x is minus sin x, and here plus c differentiation will be 0. So you put this value in, that is put in y dash plus sin x. Now what is the value? Y dash means what we have, that is minus sin x, plus what we have sin x, and its value will be 0. That means here y dash equal to minus sin x or y is equal to cos x plus c is a solution of the given differential equation. Okay, that means after substituting here I am getting here LHS plus RHS. Okay, fine. The next question is also simple, that is y is equal to a into x and the solution is x into y dash equal to y. Okay, now here that is given y is equal to ax, differentiate, that is dy by dx, or else y dash equal to a here. Now here that is put in that is x into y dash is equal to y. That implies here x as it is, y dash means what it is, a equal to y. Now here we have to observe that y is equal to a into a e raised to x. Here also x into a is equal to what we got? Y we got. That means it is nothing but our required solution. This value after substituting here, that is nothing but our LHS equal to RHS. That implies here x into a is nothing but y is equal to y only. Okay, x into a is equal to y only. Or else if you are leaving this term also, okay, again what we get here, that implies it is nothing but y from the given question, and RHS it is nothing but our RHS. That is nothing but our required result only. Okay, dear students, now let us move on to the next question. The next question is also very simple, that is y minus cos y is equal to x, and the differential equation will be, that is y sin y plus cos y plus x, okay, cos y plus x into y dash equal to y. Okay, this particular equation solution, very simple thing. Now here how we have to solve it, that is given y minus cos y is equal to x here. So here differentiation, that is y dash minus cos y differentiation is, y differentiation will be again dy by dx. Cos differentiation is minus sin, that is sin y into dy by dx equal to 1 here. If I take here dy by dx common here, okay students, if I take here dy by dx common, okay, so what we get here, we will get the value as, that is dy by dx into y dash plus sin y equal to 1. That implies dy by dx into y dash plus sin y, okay, dy by dx equal to 1 divided by y dash plus sin y. Okay, now here what it is not y dash, y differentiation, that is nothing but here directly it is dy by dx. Dear students, it is nothing but here 1 only, not here, it is 1 plus sin y. Now here put in that is LHS. What is LHS here? That is y sin y, okay, y sin y plus cos y plus x into y dash, okay, put in this value. Now here but and x is equal to, now what is the x value from the given question? X means y minus cos y, and x equal to y minus cos y here. That is also the given question. Now what we get, which is equal to y sin y plus cos y, as it is cos y plus y minus cos y. Okay, now y dash means what it is? 1 divided by 1 plus sin y. Okay, now here we can observe that cos y and here cos y get eliminates. What is the remaining part here? Y plus here y sin y plus y, okay, into 1 divided by 1 plus sin y. Here if I take y common, dear students, so what we get here, that is sin y plus 1 into 1 divided by 1 plus sin y. Here these two terms get eliminates. What is the remaining part? That is y, and that is nothing but your required RHS. Okay, dear students, it is a very simple example related to our exercise number 9.2 here. Okay, dear students, now let us move on to the next exercise, next problem. The next problem is, that is y, or else you can take it as homework, dear students. The first one, that is y is equal to root of 1 plus x square. You put it in the equation, that is y dash equal to xy whole divided by 1 plus x square. Okay, xy divided by 1 plus x square, one thing. Next, second one homework, you can take it as x plus y is equal to tan inverse of y, and verify that the solution is y square into y dash plus y square plus 1 equal to 0. It is y double dash not, it is only y square into y dash plus y square plus 1 equal to 0. Okay, dear students, so here it is all about our nothing but exercise number 9.2 here. In the next class, we shall learn about the how many different kinds of solutions will be there. Okay, different how to solve the solution or how to find the solution of the given differential equation, whether it may be general or whether it may be particular solution. That particular thing we shall look on to the next class. Okay, dear students, till that, thank you.